dreams come true. And I wonder if you know what it means, what it means. And I wonder if you know what it means to find your dreams. And I wonder.
And I'm back on my grind. A psychic read my lifeline, told me in my lifetime my name will help light up the Chicago skyline. And that's why I'm 7 o'clock, that's prime time. Heaven to watch God calling from the hotlines. Why he keep giving me hotlines? I'm a star, how could I not shine? How many ladies in the house? How many ladies in the house without a spouse? Something in your blouse got me feeling so aroused. What you about?
We call this one Two Dudes, One Boats, where two dudes have sex on a boat.
Oh yeah.
Hey, Cribs, it's that time again.
I'm fucking fishing today. We're gonna catch muy pescado. I don't know what else to say other than to make this like less fucking cringy, but I'm fishing and I don't make fishing videos.
This is my cousin Will. He's
Hello.
a redhead ginger. No soul. Soulless. This is our boat. What do you have to say, soulless boy?
I'm very excited to go out there and wrangle some fish into the boat.
I can't wait to jerk him off.
Okay.
How are you feeling?
Excited?
I already asked you this question, but I gotta know. We're on the boat actually. We're on the water. How are you feeling?
I'm feeling excited. I'm taking a look at these nice mountains right here. It's very beautiful.
Very beautiful indeed. I have to agree with you on that one.
I gotta say, if I wanted to catch fish on a day, it would be fucking today.
But still, as a child, I yearned for the mines.
So we're going to this big island right now, like off the shoreline where we launched, and we're gonna be going for some yellowtail, snappers, and maybe if we're lucky, we can probably go offshore if we see some boils later or hear something on the radio, and we can go for some tuna. But as of right now, we're just gonna be doing some snapper and yellowtail. You guys will enjoy it though. Will's at the front casting a wax queen. I'm getting set up right now with Fernando for Bonita, and we're gonna be seeing if we can get some. See any? Yeah, he's hooked up over there on that boat. Everyone's fishing around us right now. We're at a pargo hole right now. We're gonna see if we can get some snappers. Will's on. They're like boiling all around us right now. We threw a bunch of bait out. Oh, you just saw that boil.
Yeah.
Oh, another one. I got mine right now dropped down low. We're gonna hope that doesn't start bending. You good? You're good. Nice little bonita right there. Get up here. Swing that bitch. Yes, do you say swing that? Will's on another one right now.
Oh yeah.
Oh, I'm trying to fish.
Get in the boat.
Come on, get him in.
He's fucking fighting so hard. My God!
Real.
I can't. My biceps.
Yeah, you're weak. Mr. Tomato. Got another one, dude. Kicking your ass, dude. Oh, there he is.
Is that a fucking minnow?
The minnow, yeah, and you're losing. Come on, you got it.
Or smack the boat.
Nice goldfish. The snack that smiles back. Fuck you.
Dude,
Mesa biome.
check out the Mesa biome. Look, I think I see Steve. I am Steve.
I'm bricked up. I'm bricked up for real. As a child, I killed for the mines. Flint and steel. Flint and steel.
Ooh.
Oh,
Ooh, it's a big
here's an
one.
Electra suit.
Joe's met his match.
Who's the epic edgelord? I'm gonna goon harder than this fish. This is like an epic fuck scene. Color! It's white! Yes, right!
What did he say?
Big Pargo Mulatto?
Sí.
Yep.
Wonderful.
Big old Pargo Mulatto.
Excellent.
Yeah, I'm gonna come!
All right, what kind of fish is this, Joe?
This is a Pargo Mulatto. It's also called a snapper. Yeah, it's not a red snapper like we were going for, but you know what? I'm still gonna fuck it.
Dentista.
Dentista.
What do you like, this side or the side? Whatever. You determine on this thing.
Here we have Joe reeling in a
Big old yellow.
little minnow.
Yeah, a little fucking goldfish. His head is just facing that way, and he's just running out to deep water. And I'm trying to shake his head to turn towards me, and he's like, "No, no, bro, not today." The other fish, I was like dick fucking him, dude. I was like, "Oh." This is where I kick his ass. And now he's kicking my ass. Fuck. I need this epic battle of Victory Royale. This sucks, dude. I gained 200 yards of line, and he'll take 400, and then I'm like right back to square one. I see him. I see color.
Okay, more slow.
I see London, I see France, I see Will's underpants. Dude, that is huge. That is a fucking, that's my biggest yellowtail right there. Yeah. Right there. I'm gonna walk him back for you. Walk him like a dog.
Yeah!
Yeah, more pescado!
Yeah!
I'm on a boat.
Ling gong goody 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 gong ging gong ging gong bing
The sun
bing
is
bong
shining.
shing king bong
Joe's
ging.
Johnson is out. Life is good.
What's up? Pargo Mulatto? No, not Pargo Mulatto. Pargo Rojo. Dude, it's just taking line on you.
I know. Yes. Got one.
Yeah, you do. Ladies, look at the hip action on him. Yeah.
Yeah, I need to do some more forearm work.
You can do a whole body workout, dude. Dude, that is huge. Slow. Let him do his thing. You got him. Come on, Willie. See if I can get him in the water.
Un segundo. Okay.
That's a nice
Un
fish.
segundo. Un segundo.
Dude! Dude! Holy shit! Whoa! Yes! Stand next to that fucker. I've never seen two gingers this big next to each other.
Hold on.
Ah, fuck, he's got my finger.
He's got your finger?
Okay, one moment. One moment. One moment.
One moment.
Ah, you fucking bastard!
The knife.
The knife?
Ow! Fuck you!
He's bit by his snapper. He's got his thumb stuck in there. Get it out of there, you moron.
Yeah.
Oh.
Take it easy, Brandy. Rock and roll.
Oh, he's playing the guitar.
This is what it looks like in the bathroom when I'm pouring.
Alright. This is said to be the one and only fish that's flavored like Kool-Aid.
Oh, he's right here. Look at him.
That's a big one. Holy shit. Another one. Wait. Not as big as yours, Will, but this is
Very wonderful. Okay.
ready. I'm gonna guide him to you. Yeah! There we go. Oh. I ain't touching. Oh, fuck you. I ain't touching you again.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Fish boiling all around us right now, and Will's hooked up. They're going crazy right now, dude. Oh, I'm in the water now. We'll see if I get bit. Yeah, Fernando. See. Yeah. Yeah, Fernando. Yeah.
All right, Joe, just reel him into the boat.
Parece, cierra. Oh. Slow. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Now I'm just pulling a cinder block towards the boat.
Yeah, he took a lot of spool on you, dude. But you got this.
It's like, did he waste all his energy?
Yeah, there's your moment to strike. Bring him to me. Right here. Come here, big bonita.
Ooh.
That's a nice bonita.
Yes, this is actually a Pokemon.
OJ, OJ.
Oh. Shark. That's a cool fish. Whee!
That's good.
Yeah.
I don't think he liked that. Hell yeah. Pinche needlefish.
She was a fairy.
Oh, this is a Sierra mackerel, and it's probably a shiny.
What does that mean?
Yeah, like Pokemon. It's probably pink.
Oh, I thought you said it was a child, and I was like, what are you gonna do? Fuck it?
I would never.
Grab it by the tail. Pull him up.
Fucker.
Nice.
That's great.
You see this? You wanna do?
Welcome to the Hotel California. Such a lovely place, such a lovely place, such a lovely face.
Bias Pro Aurora farming right now. You got that?
Poquino rojo.
Oh, grande. Grande, güey.
You're good, you're good. Just grip his tail.
I'm trying. I'm not gonna grab it when he turns his head like that.
There we go. Is it in his mouth?
Yep.
Ooh. Damn. Let go. Fernando.
Yeah.
He swallowed it.
Okay, and a pussy.
Yeah. In the pussy.
Oh my Getting it in my you siesta maybe. Good motherfucker.
Big motherfucker.
Thank you. Thank you.
Michael Jackson.
Fresh one. Big particle.
Slow, fast. Very slow.
That's
very
huge.
Slow, very slow.
That's a big snapper.
No. Scale. Scale. Scale.
The scales are too big.
En el hand. No quería.
Let's go.
No quería con Emma.
Let's go.
Me agarró la cabeza.
Ay, Capitan. I'm schooling this dude. This opposite side.
Right here.
Color.
It's not as big as yours, but that's pretty fucking big, dude.
Perfecto. Gracias.
Yes.
Yeah. 3.
This reel sucks.
Unbelievable.
Yeah, it's a little bigger, dude.
Okay, give me here.
Bring to Capitan. Walk back. Nice.
Damn, bro, these are giant.
Greatest show on turf. Or on surf, I should say.
Nice.
It is great success, my friend.
Nice.
Great success. I just wanted to give you a quick heads up about the remaining footage you'll be seeing. The drone shots you're going to be enjoying here are captured by one of the social media content creators who joined us on our final day of fishing. These peaceful scenes will give you a glimpse of what it's like fishing aboard these pangas here in Mexico. I've been fishing with this crew ever since I've been 11 years old, and I'm currently 21 right now. So that means I've been coming down here for a very long time, and I gotta say, every trip continues to exceed my expectations. If you're interested in booking a trip or simply want to explore more of their content, you can find their website and social media links in the description below. Thank you guys for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next fishing adventure.
This my whole life. These dreams be waking me up night. You say I think I'm never wrong. You know what? Maybe you're right. I wonder if you know what I mean. And I wonder if you know what it means to find your dreams. You say he get on your fucking nerves. You hope that he get what he deserves. Word. Do you even remember what the issue is? You just trying to find where the tissue is. You can still be who you wish you is. It ain't happened yet, and that's what intuition is. When you hop back in the car, drive back to the crib, run back to their arms. The smoke screens, the chokes and the screams. You ever wonder what it all really mean? I wonder if you know what it means. And I wonder if you know what it means to find your dreams. And I wonder. And I'm back on my grind. A like it read my lifeline. Told me in my lifetime my name will help light up the Chicago skyline. And that's why I'm 7 o'clock, that's prime time. Heaven to watch God calling from the hotlines. Why he keep giving me hotlines? I'm a star, how could I not shine? How many ladies in the house? How many ladies in the house without a spouse? Something in your blouse got me feeling so aroused. What you about? On that independent shit. Traded all for a husband and some kids. You ever wonder what it all really mean? You wonder if you ever find your dreams?